I found demonstrations today to be very helpful. There's quite a few machines I would like to try at home.
No, I think it's been quite good really. Learned quite a few things, especially Isobus. So it's good to learn about it so that we're ready for it in a way.
Yeah, it's been a great experience so far. We've learned all about the new technology and all about new machines that have been developed. And
it's just an eye-opener to see what the market's offering to try and improve the daily life weight gains and keeping track of and monitoring what they are eating.
Very different, yeah. It's been very interesting to see the straw chocolate working and the different machines. It is what we've seen at home, and it makes us think about how we can improve things at home and change a bit on how the business works.